Friends, let's grow ginger. Homegrown ginger is nothing like ginger from the grocery store. Homegrown ginger is baby ginger. The skin translucent rather than gold and utterly fiber-free. Melt in your mouth, so sweet, luscious. One of the biggest mistakes people make in growing their own ginger is simply sourcing culinary stock rather than seed stock of ginger. So culinary stock was what you'll find at the grocery store, right? It is culinary stock. It hasn't been selected for seed and could very well have diseases. And it simply isn't the best of the crop. It's not the cream of the crop. That's why it's for sale for eating and not for replanting. So yes, we love to share here at Fruition Seeds gorgeous certified organic seed stock of ginger rhizomes. We share also this beautiful card that has, yes, not only a lovely picture of Heather and her ginger, but all kinds of instructions, step by step. You got this, we got this, let's do this together. And you're right, there's so much more to share. I would love to set you up for success, friends. And certainly hop on our website, fruitionseeds.com, with step-by-step video tutorials sharing exactly how to grow your own ginger from start to delicious finish. Let's grow ginger.